This next one is, I think, the easiest of the steps, because now that you've got all your data in place, all you need to do is measure the gap between where you are right now and where you want to be. So this part is what we call measure the gap. And in this, you will compare your existing state with your desired future state. You will identify the gaps in the workforce availability right now, and then see how you can segregate these gaps further by role and the location where these requirements are, and ultimately account a little bit of buffer for the attrition that you foresee happening in the time to come. So all of these data points will help you design the right strategy and make sure that you have enough lead time in your plan to meet your future workforce needs in the best optimum way. And what we'll do now is take a brief break from these PowerPoint slides and move into our project, which is on Excel, and then demonstrate these ideas with actual data. So I highly recommend that you download these Excel files that we have in our project section and follow along with us as I demonstrate these steps.